Hello everyone! First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Gita Kristina Tanjung and I'm from Class 2B from Poltekkes Communication Medan. And I'm here as a representative of Group 2 to present the result of our discussion about cereal as a source for humans. Okay, for the first, I want to explain about definition of cereals. Cereals, also known as cereals or grains, are a group of plants grown to harvest their seeds or grains as a source of carbohydrates. Most cereals are members of the Poaceae or grasses family and are referred to as true cereals. Example like rice, corn, wheat, rye, jawar, and sorghum. Cereals are one of the most important foods groups for humans' health. Adequate and balanced consumption of cereals can help maintain health and prevent various diseases. Okay, the next is cereals as the primary energy source. According to the book The Oxford Companion to Food, written by Ellen Davidson, cereals are food plants that have been an important part of human culture since ancient times. Cereals have a variety of benefits that make them valuable in the human diet. So, here are the main benefits of cereals. The first is energy source. As we know, cereal is contained by carbohydrate that can process and give an energy for our body. And cereals also maintained by protein and fat that can process and give our body an energy. Next is rich in fiber. Next, source of proteins, rich in nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamin, and minerals. And the last is good storage capability. And it is like when we eat too much, the nutrient from the food will be processed and become a glycogen, and the glycogen will be stored in our muscle and the liver. Okay, the next is type of cereals. There are so many types of cereals, so here I want to explain about some of type of cereals. The first is rice. Rice plains is produced rice, which is the staple food for most people in Asia. The second is wheat. Wheat is cereal plants whose seeds are used to make wheat flour, which is the basic ingredients for bread, pasta, and various other bread products. The next is corn. Corn is a very flexible cereal plant. It can be used as human food, animal feed, and industrial raw materials. Next is sorghum. Sorghum is a cereal plant whose seeds are used as food for humans and livestock. Next is barley. Barley is a cereal whose seeds are often used as animal feeds, raw materials for making beer, and also for human food such as in the form of soup or bread. The next is oat or oatmeal are known to have fiber content and are good for heart health. The next is millet. Millet is a group of cereal plants whose seeds are small and are often used as staple food in several areas such as like Africa and Asia. And the last is rye. Rye is a cereal whose seeds are used to make rye bread, animal feed, and alcoholic drinks such as rye whiskey. The next is benefit of cereals. The first is source of antioxidant. The next is regulate blood sugar, maintain heart health, flexibility in processing, control weight, source of important nutrients, rich in fiber, source energy, and supports growth and development. The next is example of foods sourced from cereals. As a staple food, there is rice, corn, wheat, sorghum, and quinoa. The next is processed cereals, such as like roti or bread, cereals, and noodle. The traditional foods, there is tapis rice, lemper, fried rice, and the other foods is such as like biscuit, cookies, and chips. Okay, the conclusion of our presentation today is cereals are more commonly known as cereals or seeds, which are a group of crops that are planted for harvesting as a source of carbohydrate. function, and usefulness of cereals is that cereals have a high carbohydrate content, so much for food needs. One third of humanity, about 1.4 billion people, use rice as a staple food. So it can be concluded that cereals are the staple daily food. So that's all our presentation today. Hope you guys enjoying and understand about it. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.